Imagine waking up to hundreds, even thousands of new subscribers,
Wait, what?
and finally seeing your channel explode.
Man, sounds like a dream.
Well, it's about to become your reality. By the time you finish this video, you'll have all the answers to questions like how to create clickable thumbnails, what SEO really is, how to make viral videos, how to make money on YouTube, and most importantly, how to actually grow your channel. We're not talking about some gimmicks or shortcuts, just solid, proven strategies that work. In fact, I've used these exact strategies in this very video you're watching right now. The fact that it found you and got you to click is proof they work. But this isn't just another how-to or secret tips video. This is the blueprint you've been looking for. So get ready, because what's coming next will change your YouTube game forever. Let's not waste any more time and kick things off with the first thing viewers see. Chapter 1. Creating a clickable thumbnail. This is your first impression you can't afford to miss here. Think about it. If you don't get clicks, no matter how amazing your content is, it won't get the views it deserves. Your thumbnail is the front door to your video. One look, and it has to pull viewers in, no questions asked. It's the make or break moment, and you don't just have to, you must. Make it impossible to ignore. Here are the must-follow rules I stick to when creating a thumbnail that demands clicks. Rule 1. Thumbnail first, video second. If your thumbnail can't grab attention, no one's clicking, no matter how incredible your video is. Let's be real. If you've got this awesome video idea, but if you can't come up with a thumbnail that screams "click me," maybe your video idea isn't as good as you think. Your title and thumbnail should work together to tell the story without repeating the same text. The thumbnail hooks them, the title seals the deal. If your video idea isn't clear from the thumbnail and title alone, it's probably better suited for a YouTube short. In simple words, always create a strong thumbnail first, based on your video concept. If you can't, don't waste time making that video. A solid video idea should instantly inspire a clear thumbnail. If it doesn't, then there's no point in making that video. Okay, now my second rule, steal like an artist. Here's the truth, you don't need to be creative all the time. Just copy what's already proven to work. Key is to make it similar, not exact copy. It's about taking inspiration, not stealing. For example, look at these two thumbnails. They're almost the same, but with small tweaks, and both managed to pull in tons of views. Even the thumbnail for this video was inspired by another one. No shame in it. It's all about taking what works and making it yours. To do that, you might think, let's take a look at the big creators' thumbnails that get tons of views, right? Wrong. What you actually need to do is focus on thumbnails in your own niche. Take a look at the recent thumbnails in your niche that are working well. Pay attention to the design and the elements that make them stand out. By the way, while you're at it, check out the titles too. Notice how the title and thumbnail work together to grab attention. Once you've cracked the code on what works in your niche, it's time to take it up a notch. That brings us to next rule, and trust me, this one's a game changer. Rule 3. 2 attention grabbers. Now before you say,
"What the F is 2 attention grabbers?"
let me explain. Your thumbnail needs 2 elements that instantly grabs attention. The first should be something that catches the eyes right away. It doesn't even have to be directly related to the video, but it must be super eye-catching. Now the second element, it must relate to the video. It doesn't need to be as eye-catching as the first, but it should be the next thing the audience's eyes are drawn to. If you nail this part, the next thing the audience will check out is the title. That's why a strong title is important. It works with the thumbnail and plays a big role in getting that click. Mr. Beast does this the best. Check out this Mr. Beast thumbnail. The first thing that grabs your attention is him holding a torch, looking beaten down. Your brain immediately goes, wait, what's happening here? Then you notice that dark, creepy cave behind him. It's unsettling, and now you have to know what's going on. Then you read the title, 7 Days Stranded in a Cave, and suddenly, it all makes sense. The thumbnail pulls you in with raw curiosity, and the title seals the deal. That's how you get 118 million views, just in one freaking month. So those are my 3 rules for creating clickable thumbnails. But I'm not like the other YouTube gurus who just tell you what to do and then leave you hanging. I'm going to create a thumbnail right in front of you, following each of these rules so you can see exactly how it all comes together. By the end of this, you'll know how to design thumbnails that get clicks. Alright, I'm planning a video on how to actually grow on YouTube, but as rule 1 says, thumbnail first, video second. So by creating the thumbnail first, rule 1 is already in action. Simple as that. Now let's move on to rule 2, finding inspiration. This is where we check out what's already working in our niche and add our own twist to it. After checking out tons of thumbnails, I found these ones that really stand out, and they've racked up some serious serious views too. Of course, there are millions of other great thumbnails out there, but these fit my style and preferences. It's all about finding what works for you and your audience. Now let's break down what I'm taking inspiration from. All of these thumbnails have big, bold numbers, upward trending lines, and cash floating casually around. They immediately show value up front, whether it's the estimated revenue, the view count, or subscriber gains. These visuals scream success, and that's what makes people stop and click. They want to know how to get those same results. That's exactly what I want to capture in my thumbnail. Alright, we've taken some solid inspiration, so rule 2 is done. Now let's move on to rule 3, 2 attention grabbers. I already explained what that means. 2 elements that instantly grab attention. Let's put that into action for our thumbnail. These 3 thumbnails put their anime avatar front and center as the main attention grabber, making it impossible to look away. Then they use those big numbers and money casually laying around as the second attention grabber, which pull the viewer's focus next. I'm also going to use big numbers as my second attention grabber, but instead of an anime avatar as the main focus, I'm going to choose something crazy and different since I'm not as popular as them. But that doesn't mean my channel is any less valuable. You'll see me in your dreams if you don't subscribe. Now to come up with a killer main attention grabber, I'm going to turn to ChatGPT for some quick inspiration. Just write this, and of course, change the request to match your video topic. Let's see what it comes up with. Alright, I'm really liking the robot idea, so I'm going to ask ChatGPT for the robot prompt. Okay, here's what it gave me. It's long and a bit confusing, so let me make it short and simple for you. Okay, now this one's simple and clean. Now I'm going to copy this and plug it into Leonardo AI to bring the main attention grabber to life. Drum roll please. Oh, I like this one. It's exactly what I was looking for. Just need to remove the background, and we have our main attention grabber. By the way, you can change the prompt from a robot to a red devil, ghost, or anything else that fits your video style. Alright, all the rules are checked off. Now let's put it all together and create the actual thumbnail. I always use Canva to create my thumbnails. It's simple, easy, and gets the job done. Okay, let's start with the big numbers. First, I'll turn the background black to really make them pop. Let's add these 2 lines at the bottom to balance the design and keep it clean. Now let's add a short line at the top center like this one. Now let's add text. Views on the left and estimated revenue on the right. Next, add the big numbers like 9.2 million views on the left and $6,678 on the right. Keep them bold and clear. Then we'll add a glowing effect to the numbers to make them pop even more. Now you probably see where I'm going with this. Now I'm adding this small clock symbol next to estimated revenue, then adding this arrow icon on both numbers, though I'm not sure what it's called, but now it looks more realistic. Next, I'm going to add an uptrend graphic since it's popular. I'll keep the transparency around 60%. Now adding the same uptrend graphic line on top of the current one for extra emphasis, and I'll throw in a glowing effect to make it pop even more. Just click on this edit, scroll down a little, click on the shadow effect, then choose the glow option. Change the color to green and adjust the effect from here. After that, place it back on top of the previous graphic. Now let's add our main attention grabber, the most important element. Place it right in the center for maximum impact. This will be the focus point that draws all the attention. Next, let's add the money for that extra pop. Scatter it around the robot to make it stand out even more. Now it looks good, but most people would stop here, thinking it's good enough because it looks like the thumbnails they took inspiration from. But that's exactly the starting line for us. We're not just aiming to fit in, we're here to crush the competition. So watch this. I'm about to take this thumbnail to the next level. And to do that, we're gonna play around with color and lighting. Trust me, they make a huge difference. Alright, first let's remove all the money and the robot. Then crop out half of the uptrend graphic in the top layer graphic line. I'm going to duplicate the remaining half, then spread out the part that I just cropped. Then I'll crop the opposite side of the new graphic. This makes it look like one smooth graphic, but it's actually split from the middle so I can change the color on one. Now I'm going to change the color on the right side to pink. Click on this edit, then click adjust. Scroll down to the color edit. Click on this green color and change it to pink. Now click on this graphic line, change its color to pink, then go to the shadow effect and change the glowing color to pink as well. Alright, now let's add our main attention grabber and place it right at the center. Again, do the same thing here. Crop out half, duplicate the remaining part, spread out the crop part, and then crop the opposite side. Once again, it may look like one seamless image, but it's actually split. Now change the right side to completely pink and the left side to completely green for a bold contrast. It already looks better than this one, but we're not done yet. Now it's time to play around with the lighting to really make it pop. Click on elements, then search for lightning. I think this will look good. Change the color to pink. Place it on the right side behind the robot and keep the transparency around 90. Now duplicate that lightning, change the color to green, and put it behind the robot on the left. Now for the finishing touch. Let's add some floating money. Scatter it around the robot, changing the color to pink on the pink side and green on the green side to really make it pop. And boom, the thumbnail is complete and looking next level. This is how you master the 3 rules and create a thumbnail that not only grabs attention but leaves the competition in the dust. By the way, you can totally add color and lighting as a 4th rule, but I didn't include it because I didn't want things to get too complicated. Kinda like my last relationship. Anyways, every element I used in this thumbnail, the uptrend graphic, floating money, and even this up pointing arrow thing is super easy to make or find online if you're serious about this. Now that you've mastered the art of getting clicks with an epic thumbnail, the real challenge begins, keeping your viewers hooked. In chapter 2, we're diving into the strategies that will skyrocket your retention. This is where your 4 views turn into a viral sensation. So, buckle up and subscribe. You won't want to miss what's coming next.